Hi, I'm Matt from Ludlow Thompson, and you can hear the birds tweeting this morning in this serene communal garden for a beautiful one-bedroom flat in the heart of Peckham. This is a stunning Scandi design mix-up with Victorian chic, created by an artist vendor. I cannot wait to show you inside. It's just down here. Let's go and see. We'll actually start out the front of the property just so you can see how quiet a road you are on, which is amazing considering you are a 10-minute quick walk, a 15-minute meander to Peckham Rye Station and the heart of Peckham. Let's go and have a look inside. We come into the front door into a really light communal hallway, just redecorated by the vendor of our home, and this exposed fuse board system gives you an insight into the artistic nature of our wonderful home. And in we go to the hallway. A little sneak peek of what you're about to see. And here we are into this gorgeous living dining space. An amazing use of space. Throughout the flat, here we have these foldable doors, making sure maximising the room. Beautiful re-engineered wooden floors laid by the hands of the fender. You can tell straight away a Scandinavian and artistry background. Gorgeous big windows bathing the room in light. Really nice feature. Room obviously for a table, but also we've got a TV there which works as a dining but also a lounge space. The sofa is bought specifically for this area, and alongside the bed and some other furniture they are willing to have a conversation about these pieces. Really nice what they've done with the boiler. Was originally over here on the wall or boxed in, but they have moved the flue. It's a nice new boiler, still under guarantee, and exposed the pipework. Excellent design, making the boiler a feature, which is not something you see every day. And then this kitchen, again retiled by the vendor. Lovely tiling all the way up to the ceiling. Gorgeous, stylish extractor fan. Lovely hob and oven. Wooden oak solid wood worktops. This cabinet was made by the vendor, her own fair hands. Cool little place for putting your plates and bowls there. It's a bit of an art piece. Trockenborg hung on the wall. Great use of space. Big fridge freezer here. Excellent deep drawers. Giving you loads of storage. They have even dug out an alcove into the corner of the kitchen to give you this lovely shelving area. Really quiet in here. Absolutely brilliant use of space. Out and round into the hall. Lovely storage, shoe rack, coat racks, and then we are through into the bathroom, which is a delight. Look at this. Scandinavian minimalism, easy for you to say, mixed with Victorian chic. A beautiful vintage bath, stunning tiling, really high ceilings like the whole of the flat. Very nice suite and a big heated towel rail. Absolutely wonderful. What a place to relax and recline in a big bath. And then follow the wooden flooring through into the bedroom, which is a brilliant size. This bed here, excellent use of storage underneath. There's a double, but plenty of room in here for a king, queen or bigger. Shelving on the wall, and this big window looking out onto the garden brings in a load of natural light. Very cool big wardrobe in the corner. And again, Linda is happy to talk about this bespoke furniture if it's of interest. What a wonderful place. Out and round to the right. Automatic lights, like this lovely hallway. Very cool wooden floor follows through. It's wide enough to get your bike down, and then we are out into the communal garden. And then we are back out into this absolute paradise of serenity, south-southwest facing. So loads of nice blue sky, usually, a little bit grey this morning. There's so much space out here. It's locked and secure, so you can't get in here unless you come through the house. And proof there with this lovely bike kept out here. Only accessible and used by 3 flats. So there is rarely anyone out here. An amazing space to relax and chill out all year round. Loads of very cool plants and foliage out here. And this is what they look like in the summer. This really is a wonderful space and a glorious addition to this lovely 1-bedroom flat in the heart of Peckham. What a sensational place to live.